The Inventory and Services Management Center introduces improvements to the way assembly items are reported in Peachtree. Information modules can be added that report an assembly item's build history, as well as revision-sensitive bill of materials information, including current estimated cost. For your component item records, you can also include a module that reports the assemblies using the component, quantities required, and current assembly quantity on hands. Of course, just like the other modules available in the Inventory and Services Management Center, assembly-specific modules are fully customizable and have drill-down capabilities. Thank you for taking this Anytime Learning topic. For information on additional training options available, visit us at sageu.com.